begin with Ayush Khurana from Amritsar, where Ayush is the executive director of Khurana Jewelry House, which is a couture jewelry brand based out of Amritsar. So, Ayush, if this is the stage is all yours now.
Thank you so much, Prerna. Okay,
I wish
like
everybody, just one thing, which everybody has between 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Okay, we've fetched, and I'm sure some of you have to go, but just be there for all of us. Okay, so between three
just to
minutes to
make
5 minutes.
sure, I might have a problem with my internet connection. Can you hear me? Can you all hear
Yeah,
me
yeah,
properly?
everything's fine.
All right, perfect. Very interesting how we've renamed the 100 days of lockdown to the 100 days of learning. Quite impressive, I must say. Anyway, so let me introduce myself. My name is Ayush Khurana. We're running a family retail jewelry business in Amritsar by the name of Khurana Jewelry House. So the 100 days of lockdown, the 100 days of learning, I wouldn't really call them revolutionary, but yes, I feel like these 100 days were truly a gift for my own personal growth and development. So I graduated in 2018 in IIM Indore. I'd done my MBA there. Then I went for my graduate diamonds degree to GIA Carlsbad. And then I straight away joined my family business. So the transition was so quick that I barely got any time for myself, So the lockdown period was a great time for that. Though initially I began to enjoy the newfound free time. I had recently been engaged, so I had all the time for my relationship. Spent some quality time with the family, watched Netflix, movies, documentaries, etc., etc. And that fortunately lasted till the end of the lockdown as well. The best gift that the lockdown truly gave me was uh, the habit of having me wake up at 6 a.m. every day. And I felt like that was the best time for creative thinking and planning. And that was the best gift that the lockdown could give me. And luckily, that's still going on. So that's still continuing. I did start my French lessons during the lockdown. So I left my French during school, and I thought, why not brush up on my linguistic skills? So I started doing that and did read some interesting books during the lockdown. One of them, which I would really recommend, was The One Thing by Gary Keller. And it was a revolutionary book for me because it talks about what is the one thing that you can do today, so that by doing that one thing, all your other tasks would seem redundant or unnecessary. So basically talks about the Pareto's principle, which I am pretty sure a lot of you might be knowing of, the 80-20 rule, which says that 80% of our results basically come from 20% of our activities, which can be implied to our business as well, which says just like 80% of our revenue comes from 20% of our products. So basically talks about the art of prioritizing your work. We have so many tasks to do in the day, but they are just one or two tasks which are the most important, by doing which all the other tasks are redundant and unnecessary. So that was a very powerful tool. Another very powerful tool that I learned during from this book itself was the tool of scheduling myself. So I'd always seen my grandfather making these daily schedules uh, right in the beginning of the day, and used to write it down on a piece of paper, and used to be like, that what are you doing? Like, I couldn't get what he was doing. And I was free during the lockdown. I was like, why not, let me just try and sort it out for myself. So I started writing down, planning my schedule. And the magic of scheduling, I feel it is totally underrated. I like Initially I had a trouble. I had a tough time with it, but with time, whatever was in my schedule got done, and whatever wasn't didn't get done. So it was absolutely magical. And another good point that I learned from that book was the power of backtracking your goals. So it teaches you how you need to have a goal from 10 years from now. Say, set a goal for 2030, and start backtracking it to 5 years, backtracking that to 1 year, to 6 months, to 1 month, and to today. So bring it as narrow as today, so that you figure out what is the one thing that you want to do today, as in now, to achieve your further goals. So that was a revolutionary book for me. From the business point of view, I would say, like, we were taking regular Zoom calls with the staff. We were very active with our training sessions. We thought, why not use this time productively? So let's have discussions with the staff. We wanted to align them with the vision and the mission of the company. So that was a good, productive activity. And it was very interesting the way the staff came up with the ideas, with the goals that they had in their mind for the company. And like, we had some really good time. So we had this Hello English app, which we had all our staff members downloaded on their phones. We had a customized English program designed for retail in jewelry for them, so that they can use their time productively sitting back at home. So they used to spend like 3 hours a day, and it was a fantastic help for us, because we could actually track their performance on the app itself. So that was really nice. And one very important thing that I learned from the lockdown, individually, was the value of adaptability. Uh, we realized that the environment around you doesn't always goes the way you plan it. So it's very important to open all arms to change. So we had also discussed some operational changes that we were going to be bringing about during the COVID scenario. So which some of them we actually have implemented already. So we are facilitating free pickup and drop facilities for our customers. We are even facilitating home trials, virtual selling. We're doing video calls with our customers. So people who can't step out and who stay out of Amritsar, we are facilitating video calls for them for virtual selling. All in all, I feel like the 100 days of learning were a much needed break to sit back and reflect on my goals for my personal self as well as for the business, and basically form some structure to get them into rolling. Thanks.